This will be a fun one to do. Simply trace it with a permanent ink pen. You can even trace it with a pencil, whatever you have. And I'm just going to wet the inside of the bottle. I'm going to avoid the label there. And I'm going to leave some highlights here and there. And if I don't leave enough highlights, I can lift it out. Went over into the label there. I'm just going to drop in permanent rose wherever I see it's wet. Just dropped in some water. Just letting it flow. Drop in some more. Try to keep some of the white of the paper. I'm just playing here. I've kept some white. Yay me. Just doing some dabs here and there. Just go with it. Let it be loose. I'm going to leave that white there for the highlight. That turned out really good by accident. Oh, that's really pretty. I'll drop in some more. It'd be a little bit darker towards the bottom. You can use gravity. Look at that. It's going all over. Okay, let that dry. Okay, it's dry. It's so pretty. So I'm going to do just a little bit of a shadow around the label. Just a very thin line of the same color, the permanent rose, or whatever color you used. Just to kind of frame that label. And then I'm going to do the little heart here. See how cute that is. Now for the love and the circle around that heart, that little label up there, I'm going to use a very, very dark, lots of pigment of the permanent rose. You could use purple, pink, red, whatever you want, but I kind of like all this pink going on. And I probably should get a smaller brush. I think I will. This is a size 0. be easier for me to fill in here. I'm not a fan of using tiny brushes because they don't hold much paint. It's like using a small bowl. I want a large bowl that holds a lot. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to go around the little circle up here in this darker color. It's the same color, it just has less water. That's really pretty. Okay, you can do some lifting if you want to add some more highlights. I think all of my highlights are good here on the bottle, but on the lid here, the little topper, I think I'm going to lift a little. So I've got this, it's a chisel blender brush. I think it's designed for acrylic painting. It's really stiff. So I've got it wet, and I've kind of dabbed out most of the water. And I'm just going to scrub lightly. And then dab it with a paper towel. Yeah, that gives it a little bit of highlight. Do it here on this right here. That's pretty. I think it's done. And it was so fast and so easy to do.